Private Internet Access Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the Private Internet Access, PIA, Affiliate Program. I'll be sharing my personal experience with the program and why it might be the perfect opportunity for you if you're looking to make money promoting a trusted VPN service. You'll find all the relevant links to get started in the description below. Private Internet Access has established itself as one of the most popular VPN services, known for its high-level privacy features, security protocols, and excellent value for money. As an affiliate, you'll have the opportunity to promote their premium VPN to your audience, earning substantial commissions in return. The PIA affiliate program offers competitive commissions, with affiliates earning up to $100 per sale, depending on the plan purchased by the customer. One of the highlights is the recurring commissions. Once a customer subscribes, you continue to earn commissions every time they renew their plan. This makes it a great long-term affiliate program since it rewards affiliates for ongoing customer retention. What really sets the PIA affiliate program apart is its conversion-friendly setup. The program is equipped with high-quality promotional tools, including banners, custom tracking links, and other marketing materials that make it easy for you to start promoting right away. Plus, you get a 30-day cookie duration, which means your referral link remains active for 30 days, increasing your chances of converting leads. Private Internet Access is also highly trusted among users worldwide, thanks to its no-log policy, strong encryption, and ability to unblock content from around the globe. Whether you're promoting to users who are interested in security, privacy, or accessing restricted content, PIA has a broad appeal that can help you tap into a large audience. In conclusion, the Private Internet Access Affiliate Program is a solid choice for anyone looking to monetize their audience in the VPN niche. With recurring commissions, high-quality promotional resources, and a 30-day cookie window, it's a great way to build long-term passive income. If you're ready to get started, check out the links in the description below for more information on how to sign up and start earning.